Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vinegar is a super strong, natural way to clean off the dirt and residue on your car. Just mix approximately 3 parts water for every 1 part vinegar you add to create this cleaning solution. Use a small towel to soak up the solution and scrub your headlights in a circular motion.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with enough white vinegar to form a thick paste. Using a dry cleaning cloth, gently polish the headlamp with the paste. Rinse the paste off with the spray bottle of water and repeat until the lens is clean and clear.
Take our lead.
Cleaning car headlights with Coca Cola. Be careful not to let it stain your car paint job. You can turn the Coca Cola drink into a spray bottle or soak a sponge or a towel with the Coca Cola drink and apply it on your foggy-looking headlights. Leave it for about 10 minutes and wipe your headlights with a clean towel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can turn the Coca Cola drink into a spray bottle or soak a sponge or a towel with the Coca Cola drink and apply it on your foggy-looking headlights. Leave it for about 10 minutes and wipe your headlights with a clean towel.
Let's help you make your mark.
Spray a generous layer of WD-40 over the headlights and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. While you wait, the specially engineered solution will expertly get under the buildup and muck, making your next step easier. Take a soft, clean loofah and scrub the headlights gently.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda. Wash the headlight lens with soap and water. Mix baking soda and water. Take a dry rag and rub the baking soda solution to the headlight lens. Keep rubbing in a crosshatch pattern while generously applying the baking soda solution. Wash off the baking soda solution to reveal the results.
Make your mark, take our lead.
All you need is toothpaste and baking soda. Toothpaste can not only clean your teeth, it can also clean foggy headlights almost as well as other more expensive products. Just mix some baking soda and toothpaste and then spread it on your headlights. Use an old brush to rub the entire headlight cover vigorously.
Take our lead.
First, clean the headlights with Windex or soap and water. Then, using a soft cloth, rub a fingertip amount of toothpaste onto the wet headlight. Toothpaste with baking soda works best. Start scrubbing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.